Hello and welcome to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make a sailboat cleat that used to tie a boat to the mooring or the dock. So first we will draw this base, which as we can see is just a general rectangle. And because we want to make it realistic, we will make our aluminum or steel with a thickness of 0.5 inch and the distance of 10 inches. Now we will want to make our cleat base symmetric, and now we will begin to make those like pillars. Let me see if I can make it larger. Okay, I cannot. Those pillars. And so we click OK. We extrude this one to be 3 inches or 2 inches in the base. And here we go. So now let's start making the pillars. We will make the pillars by again using the sketch and drawing a direction lines. Something like this. Do it again on the other side. Those ones should be absolutely symmetrical, because we want to properly tie our boat to the mooring. And now let's pick their dimensions. 2 inches is reasonable, especially since some ropes might be half inch, 0.8 inch in diameter, so let's pick 2.5. And regarding the distance between them, I think 4.25 is good. Alright, so now let's click OK, and we want to make a plane rise, so this one, and we will create a new plane and rise it by 4.25, so it's on the same level as those points. So let's double check. Oh, way off, because it's 2.25. Wrong again. Okay, let's go back and take a look. It's 2.5. Yeah, so now we're on the same line. So click OK. And now our goal is to create a sketch on this plane with a circle center at this point. And by the way, before I forget, this extrude must be symmetrical, because it makes our life easier. So let's go here and create 2 circles. So let's find this point and draw a circle. Yeah, we will make this one later. Now let's do the diameter. Let's make it 1 inch. Click OK. And now we will use a swipe tool, which I believe is somewhere here. Sweep. I figure out that we need to make this line a solid line for the sweep to be able to go and proceed. So let's click OK. Let's click on sweep, and now we can select the sweep path. And because it's a solid, and we add merge with all. Let's select the sketch that we want to sweep, and here we are. Alright, what we also can do, we can create this, we can pick the sweep, and we can make it symmetrical. We can pick the mirror plane. Entry to mirror is a sweep. This. merge with all. Okay, so now we have another troubleshoot, because this sweep is actually an add, so let's make it an info now. Let's go here and mirror it. And here we go, we mirrored it and it became the same part, which is great. Now what we are missing is the top part. So let's go and do it. And we will make it by making a sketch here. So make a sketch on the top. And now we want to create something nice. Something nice. Nice and very curvy. So let's extend this. Okay. We will also make it symmetrical. Great. Now we will increase its length to about 13, yeah, 13 or 14 inches. Now let's also make it symmetrical over this axis, which is great, and give it a dimension of 1.5 inches. Great. So click OK, sketch, extrude, 1 inch, 1 inch is too much, 0.5. Alright, and here we go. So this is our basically a baseline. Now what we want to do is create some holes in this plane. So let's make a sketch for the bolts and make some holes for the bolts so we can screw it into the deck of the boat. Let's give them a dimension of 0.5 and as well as making them symmetrical around the y-axis and setting the dimension between the center to be 4 inches. Great. Now we can remove them, so basically do the extrude but remove. So let's pick fillet 0.1 and let's select those. Now we will slowly increase it until we will see an error. Here you go, we see an error to 5. Good. Now let's select the part under. And now we have a beautifully designed sailboat cleat. Looks great. Thank you and subscribe.